everyone, Ian here, Mandershed Media. I'm sorry, mics went dead, so I'm overdubbing this. The car behind me, I heard about probably 25, maybe even 30 years ago. My good Mopar friend, who's no longer with us, Gordon Reinecke, told me about this car. Said it was somewhere north of Humboldt in a bush. That's basically what it was. Said it was a rear spoiler, front chin spoiler car. And I've seen this car at a couple different car shows, but I never had a chance to film it. So the owner was there today. I asked him if it was cool with him. Absolutely. So this is a numbers matching 383 automatic Superbee that was found over by Anaheim, but north of Humboldt, in a bush. The wheels and tires were off of it. That's the original interior. That is not reupholstered. New carpet, new headliner, but the seats are original. So yeah, it is a rear spoiler car, a front chin spoiler car. I mean, this thing's cool. And again, obviously FY1 top banana yellow. Yeah, that's just my jam, yellow and black. This is, if it had a 4-speed on, we almost had to make a deal that day if it was a 4-speed coming through the floor or an air grabber in the hood, or Ram Charger, I guess, being Dodge. But anyway, I had to show you this car. I just think the story's cool. The guy who owns it, I mean, he obviously drives it. He loves it. Restored, must be, well, he said, like, we're going to go with 10 years ago. I honestly don't remember what he told me. This has been a while since I've talked to him. So this was at the beginning of June. So anyway, I love it. The stories still keep coming. And that's why, the appraisal company, Mandershed Auto Appraisals, and the YouTube channel just continue to keep me on my toes because I get all these cool stories. And I love it. This car's optioned with the chrome dual mirrors. Yeah, I mean, it's a hood pin car. It's just wicked. It's absolutely wicked. So you just, when you look in a parking lot and you see whatever colors you see, I see yellow first. Maybe lime green, but yellow's probably going to be my first. Mostly original sheet metal in this car. Just, again, I said amazing. It is just done so well. Let's say it's better than driver quality for sure. But yeah, I finally found the car. That was, if Gord would still be here, I would have definitely called him the second I found it, because when I worked with him for the short period of time that I did in Humboldt, I mean, that's all we did was talk about muscle cars. That's all Mopars, he was on flat rates, so I definitely cost him money working beside him, but he was a blast to be beside. Machine gun tip car. Yeah, the whole story checks out. This is what he told me, yeah, like in 2001. This would have maybe when the story came through. So I found it, Gord. I hope you're smiling watching this video, because I just love putting these cars into the stories that have been told over the years. And now that I can show everybody else, that's a going spoiler, 1 year only as well, 71. Yeah. Amazing. Sorry everybody about the microphones going dead, but I still need to get this video out there because I think this car is that wicked. So anyway, enjoy the rest of the video. Stay tuned. Plenty more videos. We are on the road right now. Mandershed Auto Appraisals in southwestern Saskatchewan, doing some wicked cars there. So there's plenty of videos coming. So stay tuned. Thank you again so much. Bye for now.